So hi everybody. Last song I put up for you was a John Prine song, and two John Prine songs are better than one. So this is The Speed of the Sound of Loneliness. Come home late and you come home early. Come home big when you're feeling small. Come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed and sound of loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run. I got a heart that burns with a fever. I got a worried and jealous mind. How can a love that will last forever get left so far behind? What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed, sound of loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run. Mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow across the evil line today. How can you ask about tomorrow? We ain't got one word to say. What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run. Out there running just to be on the run. Out there running, just to be on the run.